Last summer, my camping trip turned into a power nightmare. No lights, dead phones, and zero music. Total outdoor blackout. Charging cameras and drones? Impossible without reliable portable power. I missed capturing epic moments due to drained batteries. Searching for solutions, I scrolled through endless gear reviews online. Suddenly, I found the top 10 portable outdoor generators for camping. Their compact, rugged designs immediately caught my attention. Multiple power outlets meant I could charge everything at once. Quiet operation was a game changer. No noisy generator ruining nature. The OUPES portable station's high-capacity battery stood out instantly. Pure sine wave technology promised safe charging for sensitive devices. Foldable solar panels offered off-grid power anywhere, anytime. Jackery Explorer's LCD display made monitoring battery life effortless. Anker SOLIX's integrated LED light kept my campsite illuminated all night. EcoFlow's fast-charging ports powered up my gadgets in record time. OUPES' compact size made it super easy to transport. No more worrying about dead phones or flashlights in the wild. I could finally charge my camera, drone, and speaker simultaneously. Cooking with electric grills and making coffee was now possible outdoors. Emergency backup meant I felt safe during unexpected weather. The portable generator solved every camping power struggle I had. My adventures became smoother, safer, and way more fun. Now, I never leave for a trip without my generator. Reliable power is essential for every outdoor enthusiast, trust me. Imagine your next adventure. No dead devices, no worries. What would you do with unlimited power at your campsite? Ready to upgrade your outdoor experience for good? Don't wait. Grab your must-have portable outdoor generator now. Click the link in the description to find yours.